Fires still burning in the Panhandle, mostly under control in that 89 to 92% last time I checked. But man, you just feel for those farmers.
Yeah, huge fire. I mean,
Yes.
It was insane. I remember when it was 3% contained, it felt like it would never happen.
Yes.
But here we are. That's good that they're getting it there.
You know, we have had gorgeous weather the
Yeah.
past few days. It's the only word I could think of to use it. Sun shining, birds chirping, and light breeze. But now you're talking about severe weather.
Springtime, North Texas. It happens here in March. Well, it happens any time of the year here.
True.
It seems like. But, you know, March is really when we start to kick things up a little bit. 77 now at Cedar Hill, just a little bit of cloud cover. We hit 80 today again, which is well above the normal of 68. So we were 12 degrees warmer than the normal. The low this morning, only 63. It'll actually be warmer than that tomorrow morning. Right now it's 79. It's breezy. South winds at 22 with gusts up to 29, which is kicking up Juniper, Oak, and Hackberry. Those are high today. You know, I tweeted this and said it doesn't really get any better from here. Springtime. Trees are budding. Everything is blossoming. So the pollen count's just going to get worse. Not an impossible chance, but a very low chance tonight that we see a little pop-up thunderstorm, but the cap in place very strong. We're here, it's almost 5 o'clock. We're not seeing really much development, so that chance even lower than it was before, and it was already very low, but we'll keep an eye on it. Better chance for thunderstorms tomorrow. This big trough out west ejects a piece of energy in our direction. So what does that mean? It means the rain chances will go up tomorrow. So tonight, if a thunderstorm can fire, and that chance is looking really low, it could drop quarter-size hail or some strong wind gusts. But tonight, most of us, 99% of us, will just stay quiet. We get into the overnight, it's quiet. Here's how we start Thursday. Now, this is the day where the thunderstorm chances go up and the severe risk goes up too. We start the day with a strong cap. You're going to hear us talk about the cap a lot in the spring. It's a very prevalent thing here in North Texas. It's a layer of warm air aloft, and as thunderstorms try to rise, the warm air rises, it hits warmer air above it, and it stops. So thunderstorms don't get going. But as we go throughout the day, we warm up the surface a little bit. The cap will erode enough that we'll start to see the development of scattered thunderstorms in North Texas. This is 6 p.m. I want you to focus on, and a lot of the high resolution data really coming to an agreement here on where the best coverage and best chance for those thunderstorms will be. Pay attention to the location. So Dallas, Fort Worth area and east, especially this northeastern quadrant of North Texas. That's 6 p.m. So between 6 and 8, you'll see these thunderstorms from Sulphur Springs down to Canton up to Bonham. These thunderstorms will continue through 9, 10 from Paris and Clarksville. These are the ones that could produce some very large hail or some damaging wind gusts. For a cold front comes in, looks like it'll pass through the Dallas-Fort Worth area sometime around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning. That will push through, and then we'll have another chance behind the front for some more scattered rain on Friday. But the severe threat tomorrow, right now it's a level 2 for the Dallas-Fort Worth area on our 1 to 5 scale. Number 1 concern with the strongest storms, golf ball size hail. The secondary concern, up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gust. Below that, it's not a 0 chance. It's a very low chance. There could be an isolated spin up, especially in our far northeastern counties. But again, that chance is very low. It's just not out of the question. Now we get into Friday. We're not expecting severe weather here in North Texas. There's no severe weather outlook for our area, but some scattered rain, a little bit of thunder would be possible, especially south of I-20 on Friday. Then another little round of showers and thunderstorms, not severe, on Saturday. It's not going to be a washout of a weekend by any means. It'll be a little bit cooler, but there will be some scattered rain around and some rumbles of thunder too. Saturday, that's 4 p.m. We get to 7, still some more rain. Lowered the rain chances a bit. We're down to 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch. And this is simply because of how things have set up. And we get closer and closer to the day of the thunderstorms, the severe threat. You start to see get a better picture of what's going on. But 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch. There could be isolated higher totals, certainly, if you find yourself under a thunderstorm for a longer period of time. But that's about the average. The highest totals where over Thursday, Friday, and Saturday there will be more rain will be in southeastern portions of North Texas. Tonight, 66. Very low chance of an isolated shower or storm. Tomorrow, 80. Thunderstorms late afternoon into the evening, some of those severe, with hail and wind being the number 1 concerns. There's your 14-day forecast. Looks like spring. I mean, we cool down for the weekend, at least Saturday, 66, back to 70 on Sunday for St. Patrick's Day, and even a little cooler for the beginning of the work week. Then beyond that, More thunderstorm chances yet again, you guessed it, on Thursday into Friday with high temperatures in the middle 70s. And a couple Mavs games right here on WFAA March 17th and March 21st. You can watch the Mavericks on your favorite channel, Dia.
Yes, WFAA,
That's
right
right.
here.